QSL, Adrian. I'm making here a video with my cell phone, and please make your exchange the vertical and switch again to the dipole. And I publish here with all my videos in YouTube, and you can find the reception, QSL.
This is the dipole. This is antenna number 1. It's a dipole. Okay, this is antenna number 2. This is the vertical. The vertical. Same power. That's exchange. This is just a vertical antenna. And now I will go back. To the dipole. Okay, that's back on the dipole. Okay, my friend?
Okay, very well. I put it now on YouTube, and in a few moments you can find that. QSL?
Okay, excellent. That's very good of you. Thank you very much. I'll go and see that. I have no internet here. I have to go upstairs. My station is in the garage. QSO?
QSL, 100% capable. Don't worry, I'll put it on the internet, and you can find it on, if you put in CT1HFS or your call sign, F5VLY, I think you should find it very well. Okay, I'm testing here a fishing pole antenna with 30 meters wire only, and tuned with a GC4 tuner, automatic tuner, adjusting to running over 1 kW, but at this moment only with the power of the transceiver, 130 watts, nothing more. Okay, Andrew. Okay, very well. I think you are trying to making some more contacts. The propagation here are with some noise and some QSB, but you can check it on the video. I don't have quite problems to listen you. I wish to you and your family all the best, and hope to catch again here on the band if the lady propagation helps us. F5 VLY from Canada, Tokyo 1 Hotel for Sugar, Silent Clear. Bye-bye, my friend.
Okay, no problems, Reef. No problems. Charlie Tango 1, Hotel Fox Sugar, F5 VLY. Well, you're 10 over 9. You're 10 over 9. Just with the vertical at 100 watts, so no problems at all. Now I'm just running 500. I'm running about 500, 550. Normally I can go to about. If I changed amplifiers, I can go to about 2 kilowatts. I can go to 2 kilowatts, so 500 is enough. I think that's more than enough. And with the vertical, yeah, the wire on the vertical is only small. It's just 1 millimeter wire, so it's okay up to about 600 grams. I couldn't put too much power into the vertical. 1 millimeter is too small. It's okay for about 600, and to run more power, I must modify the antenna, but for now it's okay. Thanks, my friend. It's been an absolute pleasure. Speak again soon. Regards to yourself and all the family down there in Porto. I'll see you again soon. It's been a real pleasure. Charlie Tango 1 Hotel Fox Sierra. Don't speak to you before. Have a good weekend, Rui. F5VLY. Obrigado. Merci beaucoup.
Ok, merci pour votre contact. C'est le plaisir de parler avec vous ce soir. Merci, obrigado, 73 and good EX. Bye bye.